Fish and shellfish are very keto-friendly foods. Salmon and other fish are rich in B vitamins, potassium, and selenium, yet virtually carb-free. However, the carbs in different types of shellfish vary, while shrimp and most crabs contain no carbs. Here are the carb counts for 3.5-ounce servings of some popular types of shellfish. Clams, 4 grams. Mussels, 4 grams. Octopus, 4 grams. Squid, 3 grams. Oysters, 3 grams. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, and other fatty fish are very high in omega-3 fats, which have been found to lower insulin levels and increase insulin sensitivity in people who have overweight and obesity. In addition, frequent fish intake has been linked to a decreased risk of disease and improved cognitive health.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you can get latest video notifications. And this is absolutely free.